contents of the box. Oh, right. So, it has the user manual. Here. There we go. Steps. And it has a magnetic base, the 2 pieces to the pole, and the 2 holders for your graphics cards. If you're going to do a single graphics card or SLI. So according to the user manual, it shows to assemble both poles onto the base, but what I recommend is you put the holder first. Like after you attach one pole to the base, slide the holder first. Okay. Into it before you attach the second pole. Because when I tried it, I slid the holder all the way here, and for some reason it gets caught in between here, in between the connectors. And just slide the other holder down, and then I get these 2 clips locked in place. Such. There you have it. There you go, and it stands about 10 inches in height, a little over 10 inches. For my PC build, I think I only need this pole right here in this holder. So here's my ASUS GTX 1070 graphics card. It's a long graphics card reaching almost 30 centimeters in length, and it's quite heavy. So here's the graphics card without the holder, and here it is with the VGA holder. As you can see here, it does support the graphics card, and it fixes or improves the orientation of your GPU. You can also position the clamp so it blends with the background. So here it is, we fixed the GPU sagging issue with a simple accessory. And so just to summarize on the Cooler Master Universal VGA holder, it's easy to assemble, it's sleek looking, it's functional and sturdy, so the magnetic base keeps it in place, and it supports video cards in all different sizes, whether single or in SLI in different PC Tower chassis sizes. Last but not least, is affordable, so you can get it for under $11. Hope this video helped. Also, check out my Ryzen PC build montage for 2018. And if you need help with changing the bracket on the AIO liquid cooler, I have a brief video guide on that. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. More videos coming soon. This is AZEL 3D, designing, developing, delivering BOKEHLICIOUS, TECHLICIOUS, FITLICIOUS content right to your screen.